If you have been looking for a commercial buns recipe, locks have already found you. In this video, I will be letting the cat out from the bag. I'll be showing you the detailed explanation on how to go about it, what you need to avoid and things you need to do. So let's get started. In my bowl, I already have 4 kg of flour. Then I'll be going in with 2 cups of sugar. I'll be dropping the full measurement in the description. You can check it out and screenshot it so you can make yours. So once I was done with the sugar, I'll go in with my nutmeg. This nutmeg, I grated the seed. I grated half of that seed and add. Then I added 6 tablespoons of yeast. Then I will mix this together because I don't want the salt to sit directly on top of the yeast. So after that, I'll go in with 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I'll also mix it together using my hands. Then after I was done with that, I will now add my butter. So I don't want to be calling the measurements while I'm doing this video. That's why I said I'm going to drop the full measurement in the description. So I'll go in with my butter. If you can see, this butter is cut into two. I will drop the measurement in the description. I will add my butter. Are you seeing the quantity of butter I am adding in this 4 kg of flour? So when it comes to making buns or when you are doing any commercial recipe, you should be mindful of your recipe. So after that, I went in with 1/4 cups of vegetable oil. This will make the buns to be crunchy inside and also outside. So this is one of the secret ingredients in this recipe that most person don't talk about. So whenever you apply this to your buns, your customers will definitely ask you what have changed, and you too, you will see the difference. So once I've mixed everything together like this, then I'm going to remove 200 kg. Sorry, I'm going to remove 2 kg from this mixture. This is what people don't know. Once you are making a commercial buns, it's only advisable to mix all your ingredients together and remove the ones that you're not using. I don't know if you are getting me. For example, if you are making 1 kg every day, it's advisable to mix 4 kg so that you will not waste money in buying ingredients and after everything you don't have gain. So it's always advisable to mix everything once. You can mix 4 kg, you can mix it 6 kg so that you will use lesser ingredients for more profit. If you are doing it like this, you're going to have more profit. So it's always advisable to mix it. And once you remove the ones that you're not using, whenever you want to use, you just measure it and add water. You don't need to be mixing everything again. Just measure and add water. So you add water and mix till you've gotten to this consistency. Are you seeing it? It's not too light, it's not too thick. Please don't add water till you now turn to buns. Are you seeing how it is? Just this particular consistency. It's always advisable to beat it like this, as if you are doing buns. Once you beat it like this, then you cover and allow this to rest for just 10 minutes. Remember, we are not doing puff puff, we are doing buns. But if you don't want it to be too strong, you can leave it for 20 minutes. It depends on what your customers like. Some persons don't like eating buns that is too strong. Some like the one that is strong. So if you want it to be in between, you can make it to be 10 to 15 minutes, but I left my own for just 10 minutes. So this is how I make egg roll from this particular mixture, this particular batter, sorry. So I collected my flour and add it to the batter like this. I will now weigh it. So if you don't weigh your butter, you might just be wasting money because you might not see profit and they will not be looking equal. So it's always good to weigh. This one now I'm using 60 grams. So if you are doing, when it comes to making buns or anything at all, your measurement is the key. And you don't eyeball anything. Make sure you measure all your ingredients, measure everything. And if you are not sure about the measuring cup, use your scale. Your scale will not lie. So this is how I'll be doing my egg roll. You just put the egg in the middle and you wrap it like the way I just did it. Then I'll be frying it like this. So this is for the egg roll. and you see how it will comes out. I just did four just for the because of this video. I did not add egg inside. I just wanted to make you guys to know how to make the egg roll. You can pause the video and go back to it and see as I was doing it. So this one now is egg roll. You just put the egg inside and you fold it out like this, just the way I did the other time. So once the other side is brown, you turn it. You can use anything to turn it. You can even use your spoon to turn it like this. So once they were golden brown, I remove. Note, don't over fry your egg roll and use low heat. If not, it's not going to done. So when I was done with that, when it comes to the buns, I use my hand to measure it like this. So I use my fist, the hole between my fist. Once I the thing drips down to that point, I will cut it and drop it in the oil to make sure they are all equal. And when you are making Nigerian buns, you will not make it too small. If not, they will not patronize you. You will not make it too big. If not, you will not have gain. So you need to be wise. It's not everything that I can tell you in this video. Some things you need to practicalize them to know that okay, this is what I came up with. And if you notice my buns, they were not too golden brown. I just allow you to fry a little bit so that it will last longer. Because these buns, I can't it to people that buy. Sometimes they don't sell it that day. So you need to fry it in a way that it will not be too brown. Then the next day now it will not be tasting nice again. So after I was done frying everything, so this is how they are looking. I see now they are looking a little bit white. So this is it. I hope you find this video interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye.